All right, Jared, with 110, Jared, 110 left. Adrian out front, Colin, 2 hours, 3 minutes.
Check out the creativity on some of these vehicles here. So we got this one here. Y'all guys let me know which one is y'all's favorite. This one's on a Mojave Grom. This one is our Mad Max one. This one's on a Tamiya TTO2 chassis, or TTO1 chassis. This one's by Noah Dodge. So Noah's got some crazy one going on. We've got this one right here. This one's pretty crazy. This is, looks like it's on the Fraction chassis? I don't know. Dragging the dog behind it. And then we've got Tony's. He's got this one called Bad Bunny. Bad Bunny. So let me know. Number 4, Bad Bunny. Number 3, Family Truckster. We got the Mad Max.
All right, Jared, time.
And then we've got
Everyone keep going for the calls down. We're still live.
Pennywise. Number 1. So 1, 2, 3,
He's right there.
and 4.
All right, there's all drivers done. Let's get all the cars rolling. All right. Are we doing a board drop start?
Oh no.
All right, let's get lined up. You know you coming. All right, drivers. 5 minutes. You guys all ready? All right, line up with Rob. Don't push Rob. All right, drivers, you guys ready? All right, drivers, let's see whose car stays together 5 minutes on its own. All right, Tony right there, driving the bunny. Oh, Carlos lost his head already. All right, so we got Tony out front. Oh, Carlos on his side. All right, I'm definitely curious to know who got the most votes. We're gonna find out here in a little bit. All right, so we got Tony, Carlos, Noah, Rob. Uh-oh, Carlos and Noah getting tangled up. Rob's dragging a dog right there. All right, Tony right there. Got the bunny. Watch out for the dog.
Got Mad Max and Bad Bunny.
All right. Still lots of time, drivers. 110 down, 3:45 to go, drivers. 3:45
Mad Max,
to go.
Bad Bunny, Griswold car.
I think that's now.
Pennywise lost his head.
Noah's in the lead now.
There's your leaders, Mad Max.
All right, so we got Noah, Tony, Carlos, Rob. All right, Rob right there, keeping all of his parts on his car so far. Uh-oh. Oh, Carlos tangled up in his own outfit right there. Oh, Carlos rolls it over. All right. Tony, Noah, Rob. All right, Noah. Oh, Tony right there on his side, and back up. Oh. Noah trying to take Rob out right there. All right, caution on the back straight. Uh-oh. Oh, Carlos tangled up in his skirt right there. Oh, Carlos tangled up with Rob. All right, guys, 2:10, guys, 2:10 left. Still a lot of time.
There's Bad Bunny.
I see we got Noah out front. Oh, Tony to the rail. Oh, Noah trying to take Rob out again. He sees that puppy on the back. He wants it. All right. Noah. Tony. I gotta admit, Tony's looking pretty cool right there. What do you think, Albert?
Bad Bunny does look pretty cool going around the track.
Tony, did you take your granddaughters, Bunny? Take your granddaughters, Bunny? Oh, caution, drivers. Uh-oh. Oh, whoa. Uh-oh. Oh. No. Fix it. Hold on, no. Rotating it up. All right, there's 40 seconds left. Uh-oh. Oh, looks like your lipo's dead. All right, Tony, Noah. Noah, Tony. Rob. Oh, Rob. And he dead in the water. Oh, Noah takes Tony out right there. All right, guys, 10 seconds, guys. Rob's still rolling. All right, guys, time has expired, guys. Your race will be done as you come across the line. Noah's done. Rob's done. And Tony's done. That's your race drivers. All right, guys, looks like all 4 drivers completing.
With that, like,
Look at the race.
remnants.
Who won the vote? That's what I want to know.
It was tied.
It was tied?
Noah and Tony tied.
Noah and Tony tied?